bagels yesterday, and my husband wants a breakfast sandwich. Got my cast iron on. I'm gonna slice into this bagel. Delicious. I'm gonna put 3 pieces of this Costco bacon in here. The pan's on all the way low. It's gonna cook up real quick and I'll remove it. Got the bagel toasted. The bacon should be done. Tilt the pan to the side to get that grease to come off. Then you want to lay them flat before they firm back up. I like mine really crispy. He likes his cooked, not burnt. I'm gonna turn this on half to get this heating up a little more. It's been getting seasoned pretty good, but I just don't want to take any chances with these eggs. Alright, the center has gotten pretty hot and it's starting to smoke a little. Just keep getting that oil all the way around. Turn it down and get it to cool off a sec. I don't want one right now, I'm not hungry, but my husband is, so we're gonna make him one. Just gonna crack them right on each other. 2 eggs. It's a strong little sucker. Turn it back down. Salt and pepper. I pop the yolk for sandwiches. And you try to want to get the same size as the bagel. We don't like burnt or crispy eggs. This will just take a minute. I might try to leave him a little yolk. Sometimes he likes that. Try to get some of the white to get it to stick together. For a breakfast sandwich, it's easier to eat it if you want 2 eggs, if you do the 2 eggs together. If you do them separate and stack them, it's way messier. And I already got my cheese folded, trying to warm up on the side of the stove. I'm going to gently press down a little, maybe break them. Get this other side on the hotter side. Little tiny salt. More pepper. You will turn the heat off, let it finish cooking if it needs to. Break the bacon in half. I like the bacon on top of the egg. He wants mayonnaise on his. A thin coating. It really gets in them crevices, so you don't need a ton. Alright, this should be done. It's pretty firm. I'm not sure what the yolk looks like. We're gonna set this on the bottom. Oh, the yolks are gonna be kind of, this one's more done and the other one's not. So that'll be nice. Egg on the bottom. Get the cheese on there so it melts. Layer the bacon. And crown the king. Delicious. And I use this paper towel from the bacon to clean up my pan. Oh look, some egg yolk. He should enjoy that. I hope that cheese melts. There you have it, y'all. Bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich and homemade bagels. Boom. appetit. Have a great morning, y'all. Have a great day. Alright, y'all, he wants it cut in half. I don't really want to do that, but that's okay. I believe both yolks are runny because they're both dripping. We're just gonna go for it. Wow. Should be cooked, y'all. Bon appetit. Appreciate y'all for watching. Use what you have, make homemade, and it'll be delicious. Hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks, guys. Hey, y'all. Alright, I've got some bacon cooked up for me. Pretty crispy. Set it out flat. Now my skillet's pretty hot. It's got a little bit of bacon grease. I'm gonna turn it down because it's smoking, you can see, so it's ready. I'm gonna take it off the heat a minute. Crack an egg in there. For breakfast sandwiches, I like to crack the yolk. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Got my cheese warming up over here. It's still pretty cold. We'll be back when I'm assembling, using up what I've got. I love to use up what I have. I'm gonna do a little flip. Actually, I'll shrink the size a little bit. Usually I pop it before, I'll try after, if I don't lose it. Generally it's a little more evenly distributed if I pop it before. Kind of a mess, but pretty quick if you have everything already. More peppers. And this will be done any second, so I'm gonna slap the cheese on there. Dog hair and all. There's one little piece, I'm not gonna worry about it. Turn the heat off because it'll melt and cook. It's pretty much done cooking. I made hamburger buns, and these need to, I just warmed it in the microwave. These need to be used up, and I believe my husband would probably prefer a bagel, so I'm gonna leave those for him. Leave those for him to enjoy. I'm gonna assemble the bacon. I usually like to go one way. Don't like to go this way, horizontal and vertical, just one direction. The cheese is falling off. Everything's falling off. Wipe that cheese. I'm just gonna set it in here. Wipe that cheese off on my bread. I hate a slotted spatula and spoon. It just gets stuck in there. I do just fine without. Crown the king. Nice warm and toasted bun now. There you have it, y'all. Delicious breakfast sandwich. Budget friendly. Homemade buns and a little bit of a protein, a meat and an egg, some cheese. There you have it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Use what we have and use what we make. I appreciate you for joining me. Have a fabulous day, y'all. And faster than fast food. Boom. Homemade. Thanks for joining. Bon appetit.